Many agencies have been citing that the result for the UGC NET December 24 cycle would be declared shortly, possibly today or tomorrow. But whatever the case may be, it's important that you don't just keep waiting for the result. For those who have done well with your examination, you must actually start exploring the opportunities, possibly for your PhD entrances or for your PhD admissions or for actually the lectureship positions. So ensure that you are in right touch with employment news, with right sources where you can get information about the upcoming vacancies. Even for your state, if the vacancies are to be released, keep an eye on that. Also, those who are marginal, not pretty sure that they would 100% qualify or not, for them we do recommend that you must maintain the pace of your preparation as always we do. It's really important not to actually lose touch with your subject, and more importantly, even if you are planning to appear for your university positions or for the positions for your state, then again you possibly would go through an interview round or another set of examination in certain cases. So if you are in touch with your subject, it's really good for you. You can really do well by being in touch with your subject. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back to us. And congratulations to all those who will be able to make it. But at the same point, those who are not able to make it, it's really important that you don't lose heart. Gain confidence and keep your spirits high to prepare well for your next examination or possibly the next avenues in life that you want to explore. But whatever the case may be, it's important that you stay calm, stay cool, and whatever the result comes, accept it and move forward in life. So that was for this general discussion. But of course, more topics related to your subject, more content related to subject, we would be discussing on a regular pace. Even the expected questions would be there with a series before your next UGC NET examination. So stay tuned for more updates from our side. And those who are able to qualify NET, if you are looking for part-time positions, work from home opportunity, feel free to connect back to us for options and opportunities in the intermediate phase while you are actually joining your university or you are actually applying for your PhD examination. Meanwhile, you can explore work from home opportunities with Mindspread Solutions, exam raised doorstep tutor. Thanks for joining in. Have a wonderful day ahead.